guys, so it's 6:57. I'm about to go get some gas right now. We're about to meet up with the Turo, Ray, Caesar, probably some other people too. So today's the IFO Bakersfield. We got to be there by 9. They just posted a flyer, so 9 is the rolling time. So hopefully it's not too long, you know, of a wait. It's an hour, I think hour 20 from here to Bakersfield. So it shouldn't be too bad. I'll be doing a lot of vlogging. See how today goes. All right. That Bakersfield drive, about like an hour. Do a little bit of recording on the way there. That's about it. All right. Shout out to NOS. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but you know, it's a car guide thing. Always gotta have that NOS. All right, so one thing that I did add to the car is that big wing. I don't know if you can see it. You see it right there, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty wide, but you'll see it more in the videos that I'm gonna be posting. Guys, right here. Alright, so for today's video, pretty much I'm gonna do a little bit of vlogging. This video would probably be more of just kind of like the overview of everything. Pretty much it. You know, there's gonna be a lot of cars. Try to get as much shots with a lot of built, modified cars. Like as of right now, there's a whole bunch of cars, and you know it's gonna be a pretty long video of just that whole vlog. So I'm just gonna do kind of like what I do on my reels. You can follow me on Instagram, and you know that's pretty much what it's gonna be about. Yeah, so everyone's outside. They're just cleaning their cars. Yeah, I'm still waiting here. It's a pretty long wait, but it's definitely worth it. So we're almost there. Line's just right there. Got all the racers over there for that drag race. All right, now we gotta find parking. Finally made it. All right, now we're waiting for the other guys. Got the little pit over here. Got all the race cars right here. All about to run it. Made it. Just got parked up. A lot of people.
I say thank you like
got it.
Try to talk about something.
All right, we about to do that limo contest.
Truthfully, I'm not comfortable with getting all the
We got Ray, we got Caesar up front.
and start telling me all the things that you really think. Just give me say when I'm
If his wing makes it, we should make it no problem.
say with that anything.
So how you feel, Ray?
I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. I'm not that low.
You think it makes it, bro?
Just drive by it.
Alright, let's see.
I think that satellite radio might betray you.
Alright guys, looks like we're ending it. Packing everything up. We're about to dip home. It's a fun day. We're gonna end the night. We got a long drive back from, it's Bakersfield to Fresno. It was a cool turnout. The IFO, it was my first time. And yeah, it was pretty fun. I mean, I didn't enter as a, judge car show, but just to go out there and experience it. My car's not really fully ready, so just filling up gas right now, and pretty much I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. There's a lot of cool cars out there, shout out to everyone from the 559 to show up. I gotta support Fresno. Other than that, I think that's it. All right guys, I'll see you on my next vlog.